basically went wherever my dad went. And because we had a car guy, but then he ended up retiring, so then my dad had to find a new car guy. And so I just went wherever he went. And what brought me here was when my dad was having an issue with his Ford Freestyle where the sunroof or something was leaking, the vents were leaking onto his feet, and he brought it back to the dealership. They couldn't find it. He brought it to another dealership, couldn't find it. Brought it to Precision Auto, and they found it. And my dad's like, I'm coming here. I'm like, okay, that's good enough for me too. So I followed my dad here. Oh my God, it's huge to have a good mechanic, because when I started driving, I didn't know where to go, and like I said, I was just listening to my dad. So didn't have much knowledge and much experience, but definitely coming here, I mean, they are the first people that I call.